Bergen County
Well,
in
what the
northeastern
heck?
New Jersey, northern Westchester County in southeastern New York,
Crazy.
southeastern Orange County in southeastern New York, Rockland County in southeastern New York, until 4 p.m. At 3:20 p.m.,
Dude, what
a
the
severe
heck?
thunderstorm was located over Sloatsburg, moving east at 25 miles per hour.
Crazy.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
God damn.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Suffern and Sloatsburg around 3:25 p.m. Impact, Pomona around 3:35 p.m.
From KZZ31.
Around 3:40 p.m.
Severe thunderstorm
Haverstraw around 3:45 p.m.
around 3:25
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Bro, what the heck?
New City around 3:40 p.m.
Here is a special weather statement for the following areas in New Jersey, Western Passaic and Western Bergen, and the following areas in New York, Orange and Rockland. A strong thunderstorm will impact Western Passaic, Northwestern Bergen, Southeastern Orange and Rockland counties through 3:45 p.m.
Dude, what the heck? This.
Wind gusts